Immutable, what do you mean by immutable? Mutable is nothing but items of objects can be changed. Then it's called as mutable. Immutable is items to objects cannot be changed. That is called as immutable. For instance, one of the object we learned just now, string. String items are mutable or immutable is a question. Answer is what? Immutable. So you cannot change items once you create it. Down the line, in the next chapter, we are going to learn about the list. List items are mutable or immutable is the question. What is the answer? Mutable. That means we can change the items. Let us go and try to experience about it. We are going for a underscore string is equal to Python. I am trying to read here. 0 means it's a P, right? The 0 value I am assigning with what? J. P I am trying to replace with J. Is it possible? Is it throwing error or it is saying as possible? str object does not support item assignment. As it is not supporting item assignment, are you able to replace the item now? No. As you are not able to replace the item, it is a mutable or immutable? Immutable. That's what we given in the beginning. String objects are immutable. Now, let us go and try to see the next one that is known as working with the list. You don't know much about the list at this point of time. If you want to define the list, we have to write like this. Between square brackets, we have to write it. Now I am showing a type of list. It's saying as what? List. And values also I am showing it. I am asking here, can we replace 10 with 1000? 10, how to read it first? 10 index is what? 0. So we are reading a underscore list 0. Now that we are replacing with what? 1000. Now it is not throwing error, it is replaced. That's what we are seeing what? 1000. Before replacing it was 10. After replacing it is 1000. So now based on this, list is a mutable or immutable? List is mutable. Let us experience these things, whatever I explained. We have here a underscore str is equal to, let us say, Python. Now, the greatness of this Python is can be integratable with any other languages, exclusively C and Java. That is the reason we have one language which is known as Python. C stands for here C language. In the Python, except P remaining characters is taken. And also we have one more language that is called as Python. I got chance to work on the one of the tool which is known as data warehousing ODI integration tool. In that one, the tool is backend developed using the Python code. The tool itself is developed using what? Python code. If you go and try to write here, let us say Python in ODI, Oracle Data Integrator. So that is going to show you Python in ODI 11, beginner guide for ODI expert, something we got it. Here you will see the Python code. We are going to see it how it looks like. Basically, yeah. So this is how the Python code will be looking like. So Python code is nothing but what is that? Java plus Python is called as Python. Okay, forget about those things. Now what is my goal is I want to replace P with what? J. So let us go and try to see a underscore str. Then I have 0. 0 means what? We are reading P. P I want to replace with what? J I want to replace it. Enter. It's showing here error string object does not support item assignment. Hence it is called as now. It's a mutable or immutable? str object is immutable. str object is immutable. Okay, next is we are trying to create here one list object we are creating with some numbers. Let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Some numbers I taken. Okay, sorry. It is comma separated. I given. Okay. Now we created the list. I would like to know what are the values available inside this one. I would like to know what is the type of object. Throughout our course, if you want to know what is the type of object, you have to use the type function. In case of our language, CLASS, class function, we have to use it. Class function, you have to use it to know the data type of the object. Now, I would like to go for a underscore list, whatever available. First object, I want to read it, let us say 0, means 10 we are getting, right? Now, I want to replace, let us say, a underscore list of 0 with, let us say, some 2000, or I am trying to replace it. Now, if you see the a underscore list, we are able to see what is this? 2000, 20, 30, 40, 50. As it is available like that, now can I say now what is this list? List is immutable or immutable? List is mutable. List is mutable. Super. We understand now what you mean by mutable, what you mean by immutable. Any new object you learn down the line. Down the line, I may explain tuple, dictionary, whatever it is. You need to get the clarity. Is it tuple is mutable or immutable? Dictionary is mutable or immutable? Like that, for each and every object, you have to get the clarity about this property. Please look into it.